Welcome from the SAMS Europe 2015 in Berlin. I'm very happy to have Milo Grosz from Ahold here for a short interview about the conference and his topic and his reason why he's here. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Can I ask you to introduce yourself and tell us about your company and your job background?
Yes, I would gladly do so. My job at Ahold is a supplier manager, and in that role I am responsible for a portfolio of around 80 to 90 suppliers, which we are hiring for all our IT services. Mm-hmm. We are a largely outsourced IT organization. I'm working for the IT department at Ahold.
What is Ahold doing?
Ahold is a retail company. We own brands in the Netherlands, Albert Heijn, Ethos, Gal & Gal. Mm-hmm. We have in Czech Republic some retail branches like Albert and Hypernova. And in the US we have around 60% of our revenue at Stop & Shop and Giant Land Rover.
Okay, so you're working with 80 to 90 IT vendors. What are your positive and negative experiences with that you can share with us?
Well, there are multiple. I've got quite a broad range of suppliers, ranging from tens of millions per year to €1,000 per year. Mm-hmm. Multiple examples like Oracle audits, like smaller companies providing a very fixed service year after year with no price increases whatsoever. So it's really a big mix of suppliers.
Okay. On Sunday you did an Icebreaker session on selecting the right internal and external partners for setting up a SAM practice.
Yes.
Could you briefly describe this topic again for us?
Well, we are currently in the status of implementing our SAM practice at Ahold, and we do that on a global level. And what we notice is that there is not much awareness of software asset management and how our license compliance position is. So currently we are trying to develop a SAM practice together with Deloitte and some other partners. And we are facing questions like, well, what can we do ourselves? What do we need to buy from outsourced IT suppliers? And how to find that best mix. Okay. So that's exactly the reason why I had this topic for the Icebreaker, to learn for myself and to give back what I learned so far.
Okay, and what were your lessons learned and those from the participants?
Well, my lessons learned are that specific functions will never be done by ourselves, because licensing can be so complex that you will never reach the level needed for example, an audit. So that's something we will always buy from specialized companies. But other things like the more regular Microsoft licenses, I get recognition of my colleagues over here or my peers over here who say that you do need to build up a own knowledge base on certain packages.
Okay. What is your recipe? How do you decide whether to outsource something or to do it internally?
Yeah, it's a matter of finding what our effort would need to be for building up that knowledge as compared to just buy it in from an outsourced partner. So it's really a financial matter in the end. Okay.
What are your current challenges in your specific industry with concerning SAM?
Mm-hmm. Well, finding if we are really compliant. Up to now, I was doing software asset management by myself with large amounts of spreadsheets and stuff like that. And you do get a nice overview, but you're not sure if your sources are really the right sources. So we do need tooling to get, for example, a good discovery, and also to help ourselves to key in all the contract entitlements. And then to match the two with each other, that's something where we really need a tool for. So that's what we are currently implementing.
Okay. How do you think is software asset management going to change in the next years?
Well, the vendors are changing. They are changing their license models. So we will have different licensing questions. So not more on versions, because you get a subscription. You only need to pay the yearly fee. So that will be easier, but still measuring the number of users, the number of servers installed, that will remain the same. And I think a lot of services will go to the cloud. So
Okay.
with that respect, I think it will be a bit easier than nowadays.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed the conference so far.
Yes, it's very interesting.
Okay.
Just like last year, I really enjoyed it, and we used it to set up our SAM practice. We used all the experiences of the other companies over here.
So I hope to see you next year again. Yeah.
Yes, me too. I
Thanks a
enjoyed
lot,
it.
Milo.
Thank you, Josephine.